we frequently see this in, for example, bowel cancers as well, where the predominant tumour is a thing called adenocarcinoma, but a subset of the tumour can have what you refer to as neuroendocrine differentiation. So that's commonly seen. It's also seen in pancreas cancer as well. So the critical thing there comes from the pathologist. If the overriding part of the tumour is adenocarcinoma, well then the tumour is treated as such. If the overriding part of the tumour is on the neuroendocrine spectrum, which is a whole spectrum of different diseases, well then it may or may not be treated with that in mind. So it's a question of what the most predominant part of the tumour is. My suspicion with that particular case is that it's adenocarcinoma with neuroendocrine differentiation. So it's treated like a standard breast cancer, although obviously I don't know the specifics here, but that's usually the case what happens. And as I say, this is not uncommon to happen in bowel cancer and in pancreas cancer also. A lot of these cancer cells come from what's called a stem cell from a pluripotent cell, and the cell differentiates along various different lineages. So it's common enough to have a multiplicity of lineages, but the key thing is to treat the disease with the overwhelming majority of the pathology. In this case, most likely adenocarcinoma, because NETs are very rare in the breast alone. I'm sure the panel would agree. So that's what I would see as that case. It's usually treated as a breast cancer, a standard breast cancer, which unfortunately is very common.